everyone, welcome. It's my Halloween party, and we're so excited to bring you our 4 key ingredients to make an exceptional festive fun night. Come with me. So part of making an exceptional party is having the right decor. That doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money, by the way. I always go to local vendors. I found Pop Shop on Instagram. They're wonderful. They're local here in Orange County. As you can see, she incorporated my Nightmare Before Christmas theme. I got these fun little bats on Amazon. And from Rogers Gardens, we got some key items that are great to integrate in that really gives you a pop with your decor. Follow me. As you know, I love doing florals, and Halloween is no exception. Just because you're using Halloween decor does not mean you can't accentuate with gorgeous florals. However, I did use some really fun and really wild tones in here. I used hydrangeas that we had dyed brown. We have wild marigold. We have French lattice lace hydrangea, and all sorts of different sunflowers and scabiosa and fun chocolatey and warm colors. So since we were doing the Nightmare Before Christmas theme, we tried to incorporate using some of the key items that we thought were fun. Well, Sally kept trying to poison the doctor between fog juice, deadly nightshade, and frog's breath. So we got our jars and we went ahead and made our own and put some fun lights, and then we used some fun local bakers to do our cookies in the same theme and our chocolate caramel apples. And now the most important part, the cocktail, which you all know I love. And Sean here, who's my dear friend and wonderful bartender, this is the Dracula Bubbles. So we're using a little dry ice and some Dracula's teeth. Cheers for a successful night and party.